So it's been a while since I've did anything on my lathe project. I did do some stuff a while ago, but I didn't like the footage I recorded. So I ended up not making a video out of it. Maybe I'll use some of it at the end of this video. But I really need my lathe operating again, so I'm just gonna reassemble it, and now I've seen everything I want to do. I can try to keep most of my lathe functioning while I'm doing the upgrades and the maintenance. And today I'll be reassembling the topslide and just start with it. So let's start with these parts. Here's the gip. We'll use whey oil. There's no oiler for my topslide. Maybe I'll find a way to add one. So the gip goes in like this. Just tighten one screw so it grips the gip in the hole for the set screw. I'm not gonna adjust it just yet. It only needs to fit. There's a bit more resistance on this side. I noticed that earlier. So these two holes are for undoing these screws, which go in here. And these are the screws which clamp the topslide to the crossslide. And I drilled these through and made this mark. There's a little scratch mark here. There's a scribe line. And that's the position where you can reach these screws. I'm not gonna insert them just yet, but it would make the base of the topslide a bit hard to put down. And here are two set screws which fit in here. These are M6. And these holes in the top part are not tapped all the way through, so I can just tighten these set screws and they won't interfere with the movement. I was hoping I could replace these because these are M5 and the sizes are different. So it's kind of annoying when you're trying to use two different wrenches or Allen keys. One of the things I did was drill and tap an extra hole here. It's for a travel lock. So that's one of the tiny upgrades I did. I started trying to learn how to scrape metal parts, and one of the things I did was try and glue this bottom side on the surface plate and see what the contact area was. And for all the parts of my lathe, there was a bit of a disappointment. There wasn't a very good contact area for all the dovetails. Now let's assemble this one. Well, here are the holes for holding it down. Put the little key in. Maybe this is a bit better. Right. So I was planning to maybe add some thrust bearings, and I did order them, but they're still on their way. I ordered them last week, but I ordered them from one of these Chinese web shops. So it will take about 2 or 3 weeks for them to arrive. And here's the hand wheel. I did make the mistake of putting this ring back on the wrong way around earlier. So that's something to watch out for. And I just scraped out the indicator here. Just removed a bit of paint so it's a bit more visible. Here's a spring, and I hope this is the right one. It locks the ring in place. And it's not doing very much work. And here's the rotating handle I made. There used to be 2 fixed ones on here, but I didn't like that. So one of the first things I did when I bought my lathe and started to learn how to use it. There's a little step in here. That's all there is to it. hands are a bit greasy right now because I was handling the screw. Here is the angle indicator, which is a bit more like decoration. Instead of anything useful. I was hoping to replace these bolts with high tensile strength ones, but I ordered the wrong ones, so I don't have the proper size for these. Just tighten this for a moment. Now it's locked up, and this nut reduces the play on the feed screw. I feel a bit of resistance while I'm in this part of the rotation. undo these for a moment. Now lock the gap. Now the distance between this plate and the nut in here is the smallest. So I hope they're aligned the best way they can be at the moment. Forgetting about the bolts at the bottom. Okay, I will adjust this when it's fixed on the lathe.